Hey, welcome to the morning brief. This is Troy Epperson, and from One-on-One Trading. Yeah, and hey, today is the first trading day of the new year, 2024. So today is Tuesday, January 2nd, and what's most important about the first of the year is being able to reestablish routine, calendar, your process. Process is what's going to make you successful. So first thing we're going to do is look at the news. So what's going on today? You can see that for Tuesday, January 2nd, there is very little going on today. We have a 945 number from final manufacturing PMI, construction spending at 10, and that's it. So only two items for the US today. Both are low impact items. So just be aware, 9:45 and 10 o'clock, that's all of the scheduled news that will be coming out today. Going on, looking for the daily chart, looking long-term first. You can see we've been in an uptrend for quite some time here, for a couple of months. And it looks like we're gapping down. It looks pretty significant, actually. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Where could it go? It could certainly go slightly lower. Not much, though. I would say, there's a low volume node at 47.70. That's probably the bottom side of this move. If it gets really, really ugly, maybe we could get down to 47.55. That would be a huge down day for what we've seen based on the ranges previously. Upside, I think we could definitely retest those highs at 48.40, maybe even go up to 48.42 before you have any significant resistance. Taking a look at the intraday on the 60-minute here, looking for inventory. You can see on Friday we had a down day, Friday we had a down day, and we had down inventory. So these are correlated. Very important to know whether they are correlated or not, because sometimes inventory will give us a nod as to what's going to happen in the future. Sometimes price goes down, but inventory goes up, which means net buying was happening instead of net selling. When we get a disconnect like that, it tells us something's about to happen in the market. You can see here this morning, really ugly looking pre-market action. Yeah. Looking at the intraday, the overnight action. So intraday, last week we had horrible intraday or overnight action. Here we've got 28 to the low is 77. So that's that's 50 points. 50, yeah, almost 50 points of action, and that is way above average. Average is about 20 to 22 points. And it's 77 to 28. Yeah, it's 30. That's almost 55 points. 55 points. So big action overnight. What levels are important for the intraday? So where we have definitely confluence around the 4,800 level. We've got more confluence around 48.18. You can even maybe round that to 48.20. Up higher, 48.40. There's some decent stuff around that 48.55. On the downside for support, we've got support. The low is sitting on support at 47.77. And we've got 47.52-ish. Where else? 47.38. 47.15. So wow, big range overnight. We'll have to see how all that pans out. Stock Trader's Almanac for the new year, first trading day, is 61.9, so a positive bias. And it also says here that on the first day of the trading year, NASDAQ's been up 18 of the last 26, about 2/3 of the time. So traditionally a bullish day, but it does not look that way today. That's all I've got for you. Remember to subscribe. That's the most important part. Subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to the new year. Happy New Year. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.